Welcome to the web tutorial for UK's EJournals search interface. By the end of this video, you will be able to find the journal article that you need using a citation. The EJournals link is most useful when you know exactly what article it is that you're looking for. If you come to the library's page and are actually looking to do subject searches for articles, you're going to be better served by going here to the research guides by subject. You can go in here and click on the subject that you're studying in, and it will give you suggestions on where to search to find articles. Now, let's say that your professor has given you a citation and wants you to read the article for class. The simplest, the most direct way to find the article that you need is going to be by using the EJournals link. So, from the library's homepage, which is where we are, you're going to click here in the center on Online Full Text EJournals. This is the EJournals search screen, and as you can see, it's pretty basic. When you're in this page, you're going to search by journal title. So the first step is identifying the title of the journal in which the article you need is located. So you need to look at the citation that you have. In this case, I've pulled one up, and be able to identify exactly which of these elements is the title of the journal. This is an MLA style citation. APA is slightly different, but generally speaking, you're going to have the author's name, maybe a date for APA, the title of the article, and then the title of the journal. And in this case, it's Tulsa Studies in Women's Literature. And after that is just further location information. In this case, it's the volume number, the issue number, the year, and the page numbers, and as MLA requires, the format that it's located in. So in this case, we're going to be looking in the EJournals link for Tulsa Studies in Women's Literature. It's important to take note that if we were to try to search by the article title, conflicting nationalisms, etc., it wouldn't pull up. The EJournals link only searches for journal titles and then directs you to the database that carries that journal. So the pieces of information that we need right now, again, are the journal title and the year. We'll need that in a moment. Coming back to the EJournals search screen, we are going to take the information that we have just taken from our citation and begin to look for our article. In the search interface, the simplest way to search is going to be to change this to starts with, which simply alphabetizes your results and makes it easier to find what you're looking for. And then type in the name of the journal that you're looking for. And we are looking for the Tulsa Studies in Women's Literature. And as you can see, it does the same thing that Google or another interface does, where it guesses what it is that you're looking for. You can click on that and click Go, and a list of journal titles are going to populate, and you're going to select the one that you want. Now, ours is first because we did the starts with, and we need to see what databases this journal is in. So we can click here on the title, and another box is going to open up that tells us which databases carry this journal. Now, we need to pay attention to the dates because, as we took note, the article that we're looking for is from 1996. So we need to see which of these databases offers the journal from 1996. The first two, EBSCOhost Academic Search Premier and EBSCOhost Master File Premier, say they're available from 2011. So as of right now, they only carry the current year of this journal. JSTOR Arts and Sciences 3 has from 1982 to 2005, so that one would work for us, and it appears that it would be the only one that's going to work for us right now. So when you identify which database covers the dates that you need, you click on it, and another box is going to open up and take you to that database. Once you're in the database, there are actually a couple of ways that you can search for the article that you need. One way is to look for the option that says search, and sometimes it's going to be a box that's already on the screen as it is in JSTOR in this database. And sometimes you're going to see a link that will say search within this database or something along those lines, and you can select it and then be taken to the search screen. If you decided to use the search interface here, you would just type in the title of the article or a portion of it, or the author. Usually it works better if you do last name, comma, first name, and then click search, and the article you need should be in the results. But because we have the complete citation information, the more direct way to do this is to actually just use the information that we have. As we looked at earlier, back here in our citation, we know the journal that it's in, and we can see that it is in volume 15, issue 1, pages 41 through 50. So we can take that information back here in the database and narrow down by the interface that they provide for you to do that. So we can see over here that we can scroll down, and we're looking at the 2000s here. Our article is 1996, so we're going to go down here, expand the 90s, go down to 1996, which we can see as volume 15, which is what we want, and issue 1, which is what we want, and we'll click right here, and it will open up that issue. Now when you're in this page, these are going to be organized in numerical order by the page numbers that they would be in the actual print version of the journal. So the article that we're looking for is on pages 41 through 50, so we can just scroll down and look for those pages, which would be right here. So in this database we can click on the PDF and just open it, and the article will open immediately. That option will be available in most databases. You might have a PDF icon instead of the letters PDF, or it might actually say HTML if they don't have the PDF, and that would just be a text version available on the web that you can copy and paste into a document of your choice. So as a quick review, when you have a citation and are looking for a journal, you want to click on the EJournals link, change it to starts with, type in the name of the journal, not the article, click go, click on the title of it in the list, select the one that covers the date range that you need, and then either search in the search box or narrow down to the article that you want by using the dates.